Alright guys, today it's another 1 minute melee and it's Lightning versus Wonder Woman. So Lightning is apparently from Final Fantasy and we all know who Wonder Woman is. So I think I'll stick with Wonder Woman, hopefully she can get a first victory after Rogue. So let's go. The 1 minute melee time.
Two fighters, no research, 60 seconds. 1 minute melee!
This is it.
Select your character!
This is it, guys.
As long as time still flows, I'll fight to spare. Guide me, Sarah.
Okay, so something's saying they're gonna make Lightning win.
This ought to be a match to remember.
I'm ready.
Fight!
She has a gun. Damn. I don't know who's gonna win this, honestly. I just hope Wonder Woman is. Yeah, Wonder Woman's doing well, but there's 14 seconds left, so it's gonna be Lightning. I knew it. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, knew it. Too obvious.
Now that is the power of the goddess.
Yeah.
This melee's winner is... Lightning! Have a suggestion for the show? Leave a comment below. Be sure to like this episode and share it with other Melee fans. If you like 1 Minute Melee, be sure to subscribe in order to stay tuned for episodes every 2 weeks.
Got it? Yeah. Okay guys, well, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe to Death Battle and like the video as well to show your support. Yeah, this one, I thought Wonder Woman was going to win, but when he did the whole introduction for Lightning, I knew at the end it was going to be Lightning winning, so it was pretty good, but yeah. So, with that all being said and done, bye-bye for now.